So the video you just watched is intended to help you make a kind of a turn in your studies from formal analysis and the physical facts of an artwork to the historical information that goes into symbols and subject matter. Those are the two halves of art history, the physical facts and then the historical context. And you need to be able to do both. They're like the two legs. You have to be able to have both in motion. So your reading that you're doing now is focused on the iconography and iconology that you just read about in the video. And then it's applying that to specific artworks like this one, a case study. The painter is Rogier van der Weyden, The Crucifixion. Because the idea with this painting is that here you are in the moment of reading your textbook when you put it all together. You put the physical facts together, the visual analysis together, the iconography, the iconology.